What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you these graduation cap self-adhesive vinyl letter alphabet number stickers. Hopefully I got that right. But this is an 8-pack, so there are 8 sheets of this. So you get 8 of each capital letter, 8 of each lowercase letter, as well as all of the numbers. So it's a total of 576 exact, and 208 capital letters, 208 lowercase letters, and 160 of the numbers. So many of these. They do have kind of a texture and they're thicker. Full disclosure, I did receive this for free in order to make this video, but it's not gonna be affecting anything I say. Let's open this up and give you a closer look at these. So I miraculously still have my graduation cap. So I just wanna show you that these actually stick. I think you can get really creative with these, even if you're not using them for a graduation cap. This will work for so many different things. You can tell when I peeled off the A there, I was nervous for a second that it ripped off the letter, but that's just the extra pieces of the insides of the A. If you have a blue or green graduation cap, this would work much better. But let's stick this on and you'll kind of see what I mean. How that different texture sticks right through, and you could totally write your name in this, or a nickname, or graduated and the year you graduated or something like that. And it does have that different gloss, so it does kind of shine and stick out. And actually, I don't mind the black on black, actually, the way it catches the light. And the material for these is vinyl, which is extremely durable. And there's so many different uses. This can, not just graduation caps, but you get creative here on mailboxes, windows, plastic, metal, glass, skateboards, cars, computers, bottles. The actual measurement, each letter is approximately 1 inch in height. So I hope this video showed you exactly what to expect with these alphabet sticker vinyl numbers, and I will catch you on the next one. See you guys.